Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies chewy. Start by creaming sugars and butter until just combined, then add egg and yolk for richness. Use a higher ratio of brown sugar and swap some butter for shortening to keep cookies tender. Chill the dough for at least 1 hour, then bake on a cool sheet tray at a steady moderate temperature for even rise and soft centers. In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies chewy. Measure flour by spooning and leveling to prevent dryness, then mix until ingredients are just combined. Fold in an extra egg yolk and a spoon of cornstarch to create a softer, chewier crumb. Keep mixing gentle to avoid gluten development and adjust brown sugar slightly higher for more moisture and a subtle caramel note. In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies chewy. Scoop dough uniformly and chill scoops briefly to control spread and get consistent thickness. Bake on parchment or silicone for even heat and remove when edges look set, but centers are still soft to the touch. Let cookies cool on the sheet for a few minutes to finish baking gently, which keeps centers chewy while edges crisp up just enough.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.